Okay, so we want to isolate x. Okay, it's got other letters that represent constants. We need to take the x out of the bracket from both sides. So you get, I'm gonna write number first, 3atx, then 2ab, cdx, and 2c. Okay, here are the two terms with x in it. So I'm gonna subtract both sides by c dx minus c dx to cancel that out. Okay, here's minus 2c. I'm also going to add both sides by that to bring that as plus 2ab. All right, so if you factor out an x, you get 3at minus cd. Okay, I need to factor it out because that makes two x's located on a single position of x. Okay, because you want to isolate x. So now you got to divide both sides by this exact same thing. And that will reduce to give you 1. And then on the other side, we have 3at minus cd.